This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV/MC, and today I'm going to show you how to install our Tusk SubZero plow mount on this Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000. When the snow starts falling, you're going to want to be prepared for it. Here at Rocky Mountain ATV/MC, we have plenty of snowplow options for your UTV and ATV. Today I'll be showing you how to install our Tusk SubZero plow mount on this 2018 Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000. Now these procedures that I show you will work on the 2018 and 19 Maverick Trail 800 and 1000 models, as well as the Maverick Sport 1000 models. To do this, you'll need some basic hand tools, gloves, and safety glasses, along with your Tusk SubZero plow mount kit. Now this kit will come with instructions and all the hardware needed to do your installation. If you do choose to elevate your machine, make sure to do it in a safe manner so that you don't cause injury or damage to you or your machine. If you have any aftermarket accessories such as a skid plate or a bumper, you may or may not need to remove those before you install your plow mount. Now the plow mount is designed to only work with the stock machine and only designed to work with the plow. Now if you're not using the plow, you'll definitely need to remove it before normal UTV use. The first thing we need to do is grab these two brackets. Now we need to place these right on top of the frame itself. Now the two locations are, one is in the rear and one is in the front. Now let's take the last bracket and go ahead and place it behind the frame on the front of the machine. Now you're just going to set it there temporarily until we install the plow mount itself. You may need help with this next step, but now we're going to take the plow mount and we're going to mount it to the frame. Take the four shorter bolts, we're going to go ahead and install those, but leave them loose. Now let's take the longer bolts and we'll install both of them in the front part of the plow mount. Now that we've got all of our bolts started, let's press up on the plow mount against the frame so that it fits snugly and tighten down all the bolts. And that's it. That's all there is to installing your Tusk SubZero plow mount. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessories. And remember, all orders over $75 ship for free. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.